Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our drive along US Route 42 near the small community of Pendleton, located in the rolling countryside of Oldham County. This stretch of highway passes through one of Kentucky's most scenic rural regions, where farmland, wooded hills, and historic communities still shape the landscape. Today, US Route 42 serves as an important regional road connecting Louisville to northern Kentucky and the Cincinnati area, but the path it follows has a much older story. Long before it became a numbered highway, this corridor functioned as an early travel route between settlements along the Ohio River and the interior of Kentucky.
Thank you very much.
Pioneers and traders relied on simple wagon roads like this to move goods, livestock, and supplies between growing frontier communities. In the early 20th century, the United States began developing a national highway system to connect cities and regions more efficiently. US Route 42 was officially designated in 1926 as part of that original numbered highway network. Driving through this part of Oldham County, you'll notice the gently rolling terrain that defines central Kentucky. The region lies near the edge of the famous bluegrass area, known for fertile soil and productive farmland. Agriculture has remained an important part of the local economy for more than 2 centuries. watching!